Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we are going to discuss about another very important example related to Angular custom pipe, where we will create a pipe to mask the phone number. Okay, so suppose we are going to receive some mobile numbers from a user, and that number we want to format into a particular way. Okay. Now to achieve this thing, what we will do, we will create one custom pipe, and through that pipe we will format the mobile number. Okay, so these are the things that we are going to discuss in this session, and by the end of this session you will be able to understand like how to create that kind of custom pipe, what all syntax or structure that we have to follow. These all things should be there. But before we proceed further with this session, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released sessions first, because they all are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow them sequentially, then it would be much more easier for you to understand the ongoing topic, because for time being we are just mainly focusing on how to use Angular custom pipe to transform the number into a particular format. Now here you can see on the first page we have this heading that shows Angular 19 course by Sharmit. After that we will put another heading here, and this heading will show today's topic name. So here I will write custom pipe in Angular to format mobile number. So this is our agenda for the session. Now one thing is clear, that to implement this thing there should be one pipe, right? Now to create that pipe you have to run the command, and here I will run the command like this: ng serve -- open enter. Sorry, this is not for creating the command, by mistakenly I put this is just for running the application, but that is fine. Like we will see the output. It's my habit to show the output, that's why I run this command. So here you can see we have this headings that shows Angular 19 course by Sharmit and custom pipe in Angular to format the mobile number. Now I'll show you the command that is used for creating the custom pipe. So here you need to write ng, which denotes Angular, g generate, p pipe. Then you have to put the folder name. So I want to keep all these files into a my pipes folder, so I will write here my pipes, then slash, and then the name of your pipe. So here I will give it name mobile mask. Okay, let's give it as a mobile mask, and then simply press enter. So once you press enter, it will take few seconds, and then you will see that two files is created now. One file is and both files are created in the folder my pipes. So one pipe is created as mask_pipe.spec.ts, and another one created as mask.pipe.ts. Okay, so spec.ts we are not going to touch, because this is not a related file. Like we are not going to do anything here. Whatever we will write logic will come inside this main file, that is the file name is mobile mask pipe.ts. Clear? So I think this part is clear. Now what we will do next, because pipe is ready, now it's time to register this pipe. Now to register this pipe, what you need to do, you have to take this name, the name of the pipe, not the name which is present inside this file. Okay, this name we will use when we are going to use it, but to register it you have to write like this: mobile mask pipe. Okay, so let's go in app.component.ts file. Here in import section we will simply write here mobile mask pipe. Okay, and once you press enter, it will automatically import this line, that is import mobile mask pipe from this is the location where we have created the pipe. Perfect. So this part is ready. Now the next thing is we will simply use this pipe, okay, to build the logic. But what exactly we want to build, right? This thing we should clear first. So to clear this thing, let me go again to app.component.html file. Here I'll show you the sample input and sample output, and then we will build the logic. Okay, alright. So here let's add one comment so that you can see what we are going to implement here, and in this comment we will write sample input, and any number you can take, for example 987654 3210, any random number. Okay, if you want I can make it 0 also here. So this is the number. How many digits? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Perfect. Now next thing what we are going to do, we are going to create a sample output, like what exactly we want in our output. So in case of output, what I want this number to be formatted in a particular format, and that format I'll show you. Just copy this number and here I will paste it, and I'll put the parenthesis after 987. Okay, and then we will put one space, then 604, then hyphen, and then the remaining 4 numbers. So this format I want in my output. Okay, now let's try how to do this. So to do this, one thing, we will make the modification in the component.ts file. So for that, let's go to not component.ts, mobilemask.pipe.ts. okay, so let's go there, and here we will simply let me replace this part, or let's keep it as it is, or if you want you can replace that. Yeah, let's write it from scratch so that you can follow it. Okay, so here what I'll do, I'll create the first like original string, okay, which we are receiving. Type is a string, so let's write it like this. Okay, and we are sure that we are going to return the string only, so let's give it as a string. And remember one thing, this is case sensitive, so if you make it with a capital S, it will throw you the error. Okay, so always make sure, or maybe you can write original mobile number so that you can make it make more sense, right? Original mobile number. Perfect. So this is ready. Now let's do some I'll just firstly create the logic, and then I'll show you what I did, and I'll explain you each and every line. Okay, so here what I'll do, I'll create one const we know for creating the constant. So const, and here I will write cleaned. This is just a variable name. Then I will put the values like this, plus original mobile number, then dot replace, and here I will write some regular expression. If you are not aware what is this regular expression, you can like simply follow this. I need to put this forward and backward slash, but I think if I press, let me open on screen keyboard, because I have set some settings on it, so it might cause issue. Let's see if it works. No, I think no worries, I'll tell you how to do this. Okay, so I copied this regular expression. Actually the problem is that with backward slash I have set to stop the recording, so it will automatically stop my recording. That's why I didn't type it, but this is the actual thing that you need to write as it is. Okay, and then semicolon, and then we will simply return the string in a format that I'll show you now. So you just need to write here parenthesis. Inside parenthesis we will use dollar symbol to access the variable. Curly braces, here we will write cleaned. Okay, dot slice, and then 0,3. okay, and after this parenthesis you can write here again dollar, then you will write here curly braces, and then you will write here cleaned dot, and cleaned is just a variable name. Okay, you can give any other name if you want, but make sure to use it in the same way, otherwise it will cause error. So 3 6, and then this is fine. Then we will use here hyphen, and if you don't know about the regular expression and all these things, so like usually developer copy paste the regular expression, but yeah, you can learn also. There are some websites where you can find the regular expression as per your requirement, and then you can simply copy paste it from there, and then you can use it. Okay, so let me save it. I think there is some issue that we need to yeah, backtick should be there again. I just copied again the backtick because it will also affect my recording. So now it's okay, fine. Alright, so this thing is ready. Now let's go to app.component.html again, and here we will just write the logic to pass the number. Okay, so mobile number, let's give it as a name p paragraph, mobile number colon, then double curly braces. Inside this we will use the same mobile number, and it should be in a string manner. Okay, then pipe, and then the name of the pipe, mobile mask. Perfect. Now save it and let's run the application. So ng serve -- open, enter, wait for a few seconds, and then it will run the browser, and then we will verify the output, and it should match our requirement. Yes, it matched, right? So we just provided the normal number, but it converted into a proper format. So this is how you can create your custom pipe in order to create the in order to mask your number. Although these are the basic thing, but why I'm repeating all these sessions with a different example, because once you are comfortable with all these kind of examples, then it would be very easy for you to implement it in your projects. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today. See you in the next session with new topics. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.